Hey guys, welcome back. Another real unboxing. I'm doing it right now because I'm currently mounting it to a rod. ANATONO, another one. She's the Silver Rhino. 2025's Ultra Budget King. BFS reel. Excuse everything. Oh, I got to do it in the bloody car. So it comes with your manual. It's all in Chinese. So this is a sub $50 reel. Still the same price as it's been for 2 years. I've already had it out of the box. I've already played with it. The reason I'm doing this one right now is because the rod is the same colour as the reel, and I think it'll look sick. Okay, right off the bat, I noticed that hand grip's bent. It's kicked up. There's absolutely no play either way on it. I can't get over the smoothest buggery to retrieve. No in and out play at all. Star clickers, angled 5, does click, and you've got not much movement. So that's all the brakes, drags all the way loose, all the way tight. And there it was a little bit of play, there you go. Orange detents. It's only on that washer, or the locking washer for the handle nut. And the spool tension knob has little bits of orange. Shallow spool. Thumb bar, no play. This one has nothing. Maybe a little bit of that way. Up and down a little bit. It's because it's only held, it only activates off this side, not that other side. One little switch says open. You pull it and it pops out, and I think it's a pull out. It's not a twist out, no, it's a pull out. The switch has to be all the way open. There you go. This has different brakes. I don't know what they are. They're not mag force or mag tracks. It's got that type. I think it breaks off the shaft. Would it be centrifugal? Off the shaft? I'm feeling the in there's shallow spool. I think the spool weighs 5.8 grams from memory from watching other videos. Short shaft. The brakes that I don't know what they're called. Useless, I know. Make sure that switch is all the way on the open. So I start with the brakes on 4 now. I'm getting fairly confident casting BFS. I've just smashed another, as in dialed it in 5 minutes. 3 casts I think it took me, and I can cast it from beside my car to the end of the street is about 60 odd meters. I'm not sure what that would be in feet. So she's 7 0.0 to 1 ratio, smooth as butter, has a drag clicker, a nice loud one, and the tension knob does in fact click. I've already done the side to side on this. I'm about to spool it up. $48 and maybe 35 or 40 cents. I'll put the price up here. Temu. Was it Temu? No, AliExpress. AliExpress I bought this. You can get them on Temu. You just got to be cautious. It's got that nice little sort of shape that the drag star's got under here on the plate. It weighs, according to the box, actually I don't think they've got it on these boxes. This is not the original box they came out in. It had ANATONO in orange and a different logo. This is actually the Silver Rhino logo, and there's no information on the box now. Bait casting reel, that's all it says. Rhino configuration. 130 grams on the box, it says it right there. Ultralight bait casting reel, BFS fishing reel, 7.0 to 1. 8+1 ball bearings, 6 kilos of drag. No, I think they're about 5. I mean, if you really hoe it down. I don't know. I wouldn't go that tight with the drag though. Loosen it back off. I would go till you start feeling resistance. 4.5. It's probably equal the next angler Alpha Neo. Conical line guide, same as the next angler. Sorry, no, same as the ANATONO Virgo, has the same line guide. Excuse me, has the same line guide. It's pretty much the same size reel, only the ANATONO Virgo has a slightly deeper spool. Anyhow, there you have it. I'm about to mount it on a rod, line it up, and dial it in. I might actually do that on camera for you. These other two, I'll do 2 separate videos. Shorts, I've already got the gloves on. I've been wearing them. This is my red pair. I'm getting used to it. This other reel's right hand wind that I've been playing with, and I've been casting it backhand across the front of me, right where I'm looking. Stick around. ANATONO Silver Rhino. Ultra budget BFS King 2025.